Hey there folks, I'm Tyler Hallberg, your friendly neighborhood certified electrician from Golden Rule. Today we're talking about something super important, your home's electrical panel. Your electrical panel might not be the first thing on your mind, but trust me, it plays a crucial role in keeping your home powered up and safe. So let's dive in. Here are 5 signs that it might be time for an upgrade. First up, if your circuit breakers are tripping more often than a clumsy kid at a birthday party, it could mean your panel is struggling to keep up with your modern day needs. Next, take a look at your panel. If it's still sporting a fuse box or looks like it's seen better days, it's time for an upgrade. Now, look for scorch marks or signs of overheating. If your panel feels hotter than a summer day, call us. And don't ignore those flickering lights. They're like your home's way of sending up a distress signal. Listen to them. Lastly, if you're planning any home upgrades or renovations, like a dream kitchen or a cozy home theater, make sure your panel can handle the extra load. So, what's the bottom line? Your electrical panel isn't just a box on the wall. It's your home's unsung hero, keeping everything running smoothly. Here at Golden Rule, we're all about keeping your home safe and sound. So if you recognize any of these signs in your own home, it's time to give us a call. Let's make sure your home is powered by Golden Rule, where your power is our priority. Ready to upgrade? Contact us today, and let's give your home the power it deserves.